Action News, Delaware Valley's leading news program, with Gary Papa, Dave Roberts, and Jim Gardner.
Wednesday night, fumes empty at J.C. Penney store in Delaware, and a movie filmed in Philadelphia has a hometown premiere. But the big story in Action News tonight is the prospect of a very rough rush hour in the morning thanks to a winter storm. PennDOT has prepared its salt trucks and plows for overnight and early morning duty. We could see some combination of snow and ice to make the morning commute one of those precarious drives to work. Let's go outside to Dave Roberts and the very latest from AccuWeather. David?
Once again, Jim, we find ourselves just waiting. Here's the latest from Action Radar. The current picture indicates that there is an area of snow down in, well, not in New Jersey or Pennsylvania, in our immediate area, I should say Philadelphia, but it is down there in Delaware, not yet reaching the ground. Behind that, the blue area shows that mixture of freezing rain and sleet, and then rain behind that. Overnight, AccuWeather says we're looking for some snow, possibly to start sometime after 1 a.m. Not a big snowstorm here, maybe an inch or even less than that. Overnight low 26 degrees, so it starts to snow. Rush hour is of concern. We have a combination of snow, freezing rain, and sleet. Looks like a slippery start. 27 degrees. The changeover time anytime between 6 and 9 a.m. in the morning, so right there for rush hour. And then in the afternoon, tapers off to a shower and a drizzle. Temperatures moderate to 38 degrees. Now, when we come back in just a few minutes, we'll update the Action Radar for you, and of course, remind you that winter storm coverage begins at 5:30 in the morning here on Action News. We'll have that, and of course, we'll take a look at the weekend for you when we come back in just a few minutes. Jim?
Thank you, David. President
Clinton going on with central Pennsylvania getting the snow, freezing rain in Pittsburgh, snow and freezing rain around the D.C. area. Then it all starts to march right on up through New England as we head through the day Thursday and on into Friday. Kind of a nuisance system, not a lot of snow anywhere, a couple of inches maybe northwest of New York and also up around the Boston vicinity, but then changing to sleet and freezing rain, which could really create an icy mess, much as we're seeing up around northern Ohio.
Right off the top now, I'll give you a shot. This is the latest picture just in. You can see the precipitation now getting closer to us. There's no rain. The rain is up there, but it's not reaching the ground as of yet. But we'll break this down for you. We'll set it in motion. First of all, you can see the movement. The storm just kind of sagged to the south a little bit earlier and then intensifies coming out of Ohio there. That same cell just building on into Pennsylvania, getting closer to us. We break it down to show you the mix, and you'll see the snow line, you'll see the rain line, and then you'll see the mixture in between. That's where we have concern for the morning. Can we break that down for you now? Just give it another punch there and see what happens. It takes a little while. Mechanisms go to work. There it is. There's the snow line again. The snow falling, but not reaching the ground as it gets closer to us. We expect the snow to start in our immediate area sometime after 1 o'clock in the morning. So we lose the two high-pressure systems. We have to deal with this. The snow comes in first. The ice and mixture, freezing rain and sleet is very close behind it. So probably around 5, 6 o'clock in the morning, we expect that changeover to take place through 9 o'clock. After 9 o'clock, we expect some of this rain that's left down here, the drizzle, to kind of come on through. So the rush hour does not look very good in the morning. This frontal system here is going to push everything through, hopefully, and clear things out for the weekend. You'll see it in the 5-day. Call from AccuWeather is it's going to be a slow AM go. It's 21 in Allentown, 27 in Wilmington. Our low 19 degrees, our high 28 degrees, 2:36 this afternoon. Action cam out tonight. Found this home decorated for the holidays. The Schramm family in Bustleton. Very nice. Present temperature reading is 27 degrees. Humidity 55%. The barometer 30.49. It's now starting to fall. Winds out of the east 8 miles an hour. The wind chill 14 degrees in the northeast. 28. Same outside the station. 29 for Center City, 27 at the airport, and Camden 27. The exclusive AccuWeather 5-day forecast tonight. Some snow later, again after 1 o'clock. We expect it to start. 26 degrees. If we do get some snow out of this, we'll get a coating to an inch. That's the possibility. The mixture and the difficult time will be in the morning rush hour. Snow, rain, ice, 27 degrees. By before noon, we expect it then to change over to some showers and drizzle and moderate up to 38 degrees. And here comes really 50 degrees, rain and milder on Friday. It'll be windy with clearing, 46 degrees on Saturday, Sunday, 44 degrees, partly sunny. The partly sunny hangs over for Monday. So snow first, then that changeover, the mixture to freezing rain, and then drizzle after that. Dave Frankel will be here at 5:30 in the morning. We'll have the latest as we continue to track it on Action Radar, Jim.
Thank you, David.
Icy roadways, it can be a deadly combination, actually, a car and icy conditions on the road. Minneapolis, La Crosse, on into Waterloo, Iowa. We've been seeing all kinds of problems in these areas, and actually the freezing rain does extend from Detroit on into parts of Cleveland. Zanesville, Ohio has been reporting some problems, and even Pittsburgh has been reporting some freezing rain. In parts of Ohio, they say that now the ice is about a ½ an inch thick. Yeah, just a glazing of ice on the roadway, and that can just be a nightmare if you're trying to do some traveling tonight on, let's say, I-75. Look at West Virginia. A little bit of frozen precipitation there as well, and we've been seeing some snow, light snow in D.C. and Baltimore, mixing in with a little freezing rain. Yes, it is possible. Temperatures right now across the country are pretty cold. In the northeastern corridor, 21 in Boston, 27 in New York City. But look at these mild temperatures to the south. It's still 66 degrees in Dallas, Texas. Well, you factor in the wind and you get what we call the wind chill, and it feels like 4 right now in Boston. And tomorrow, something interesting could be happening in the northeast. Let's show you.